Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Late Night Friday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe, staying warm. We have another unboxing to do. Amazon Prime time. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one at a low cost. Add it to your wish list. And Santa Claus will be stopping by no time. I just can't believe how fast this is going. This year's flying by. But we got Black Friday full swing now. Cyber Monday's coming. So you might want to definitely take a look and see what other goodies they have to offer. And we have here. Oh boy. Get out of there. Oh, nice. At them Oko neck, shoulder, back heating pad. This is definitely going to come useful. Threw my back out last week, so this will definitely help. Great gift idea. Definitely a little bit bigger for a stocking stuffer, but nice little bonus Christmas gift to somebody or birthday gift. Let's see, we have fast heating technology, really relieving stress. Down here, heating function, washable design, nice. Do not fold while using. 3 heat settings. Well, kind of looks like a bib. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. We got some stuff on the side. Canada, USA. Here's the back. Does kind of look like a vest. Whoa. This should be pretty cool. Cut that open right there. Alright. See what this looks like, guys. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Got that out. Nice and easy. See, right there's good enough. Should be alright. Get that out of there. We don't need a manual. There's first, second, and third heating pad setting. Okay, neck, shoulder, back. My neck, my back. Alright, nice. Yeah, it feels nice and soft. This is interesting. I've never seen one of these kind of styles. Alright. Here is a heater. Right there. There we go. Here's the good stuff. Here is controller. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3's on top. Oh, see? Shows in there 3, 2. Uh-oh. You guys are falling. 1, 3. 2, 3. Nice and smooth. Alright, I wish I had a little bit more room here. This is what? Button? Yep. A little snap on. I gotta find a plug. I got a spot to plug this in. Pretty good length size cord. I'm probably gonna do the reverse flip. Show you guys. Cover it up like a bib. You'll be good to go. Kind of when you're just relaxed and watching some Disney Plus or Netflix or Amazon Prime, Hulu, either one, you know, get a good hour, relax. Even during some gaming, you could use this to help ease the stress. Because you know how Fortnite gets. But tonight's going to be Star Wars night. So here we go. Plug it in. Bam. Okay, she's plugged in right now. this on one side. Then I can figure out how am I gonna wear this. And they got little ties. Give me 1 second, guys. Like I said, this is really new to me. I'm going to untie that. I'll pause you guys. Alrighty, YouTubers, you can see it's hooked up to my neck, like so. And the back piece is around my back. It is so warm. On level 3, I can feel it working already. Kind of looks like shoulder pads, you know? So really cool. Nice and toasty. So I'm going to flip you guys back. And definitely check them out, YouTubers, at Moco. Neck, shoulder, back heating pad. This thing is working great right now. Oh man. So definitely buy one for yourself or a family member or a friend, co-worker. This will definitely come in handy, especially at the office long days. This is nice and warm. Might take a nap after this. But that is it for today, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.